Welcome. If you want to connect to the Wi-Fi network in your VIVO Y72 5G, at first you have to open the notification panel and go for the Wi-Fi settings. Right now you will find here all available networks. So for example, I'm going to connect with Zenfone 7 Pro. When you click here, you will be able to see your password. So right now you are sure that it's correct. Click connect on the right bottom corner, and as you can see, after a few moments we are finally connected. I can open, for example, YouTube to show you that it really works. As you can see, here it is. So if you will find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.